The pandemic has also exposed how it has become a public health crisis. Your final cry, anti-Asian racism as a public health emergency. I think you're adding kind of a way to kind of concretely think about how we as scholars, as doctors, as activists might start to address the public health emergency that is anti-Asian racism. I want to push you a little bit more. I'd like to hear about your formulation of how we use the skills of rethinking the narrative, right, in order to engage, especially in this age where there's such deep suspicion of expertise, of academia, and I will say of Chinese academics. This is directly related to, the previous administration's rhetoric and the heightening of geopolitical tensions, right? So the anti-Asian racism, which we're now sort of seeing, it's really a kind of a different moment.
Establishing the program in medical humanities is a concrete step towards this, because the only thing that's going to help is making conversations possible.
Medical humanities is the only of its kind at Columbia University.
This couldn't have been a better keynote for us to think about what we are trying to do here with a medical humanities major. How are we trying to bridge, as you said, the kind of arbitrary boundaries between the humanities and the sciences? And they are fundamentally arbitrary. I mean, we've created them over the last 200 years, and we have to work to uncreate them.